Hi everybody, it's Kirsten again. Today I'm showing you how to use the OneNote app on your phone. I've got mine open. I'm opening the app and here is my Zebras notebook from the last time we were working in OneNote on my computer, and it looks exactly the same on my phone. I'm going to add a new section today called Animal Background Information, and I'm going to show you how to add some snapshots of pages from books to OneNote using your phone. So I'm going to create a new note. I'm going to give it a title. Normally when I'm working on my phone, I just title the note the name of the book with the author's name. And once you've done that, you just need to move your cursor into the body of the note. And you'll see some options down on the bottom. You'll see a little camera. You can, and you have a couple of options if you hit the camera. You can enter photos already in your photo library, or you can take new pictures using your phone's camera. That's what I'm going to do today. So I'm selecting Take Picture. And my camera comes up, and I can either take a photo, but because I have words that I'm trying to capture, I'm going to select Document. And I'm just going to use my camera to take pictures of each page. And each time it's going to ask me to confirm the boundaries. And then I can keep selecting the Add button to add additional photos. So I always take a picture of the publication information, and then I hit confirm that I like what that picture looks like. If I don't like it, I can always have the option to retake it. So again, I just snap the photo. I confirm that it's what I want it to look like. And then I can keep going, adding as many documents as I need. And I can even adjust the boundaries. If I don't like the auto-selected boundaries, I can manually change the boundaries after each snap and each page until I get all the information that I need. And then when I'm done with all of these notes, I'm going to hit that purple button, and it's going to give me some more options. I can add more photos, or if I need to rotate one of my document photos because it came out wrong, I can do that. I can also crop borders if I need to. And when I like how these 6 documents look, I just hit done, and it adds all of those photos to my note. And that's what you're seeing now. And then if you look in the top right corner, you'll see a little tool that looks like a pen. This allows me to mark up the notes on my phone. So maybe I want to select the highlighter tool. Not that one, that's the eraser. Go back, there's the highlighter tool, and I can highlight mammals. Maybe that's some information I want to pop when I come into this note. So I can go ahead and select that. And then you'll see this is what my new note looks like. It has the title of the book, and it's within that animal backgrounds folder. And there's all the information. Okay, now that I've finished taking pictures of the book on OneNote, I can come back into my computer and make sure that everything is synced up. So I'm going to go and make sure to sync this notebook so that the new section pops up. And you'll see it right here. So remember, I called it Animal Background. And you'll see all the images that I took with my phone. And then if I want, I can do additional markups. So remember how on my phone I highlighted the section on mammals because this is where zebras fall, the category that zebras fall under. Maybe I want to make a little note about that. So I can go to, for example, the Draw tab, and maybe I want to select this pen. I'm going to circle mammals right here. Oop, go away. And I'm just going to write, write myself a little note here, which is going to be a super messy way of doing it. I can also go into text mode and just make myself a little note that, zebras are mammals. And if I want, I can highlight that. Now, the cool thing about this is, there we go. Once I have this information in here, this is searchable, even though because I wasn't just taking a photo, I told the app on my phone that I was taking a photo of a document. I selected the document option. So now it's going to let me search for words, and they'll pop out. So for example, let's say I want to look for okay, where did I see the word phylum, right? So I can check my little funnel. I'm searching the current notebook, which is zebras, and I can see, oh, yep, it's in this unusual creatures note that I made, and there's the word phylum right there. It's even highlighted in that purple color. Oh, and here it is on the next page, the word phylum. So the cool thing is, you're not just taking a picture of a book or a magazine, any kind of hard copy document that you need, but you're also capturing the text information and making it searchable for yourself. I also use my OneNote phone app if I'm at an exhibit and I want to capture some exhibit text. So it's really a useful tool. I just want to show you a couple of more functionalities on the phone. So let's say I forgot that I wanted to take a photo of the title page. I can insert my cursor, select the camera again, and tell it I want to take a picture. Now, I want to show you what happens. Let's say I just leave it on photo and I forget and I just take a photo of the title page. Now, when I go back into the OneNote on my desktop, the information on that title page will not be searchable and it will not pop up. Let's talk about one more OneNote functionality. You can add audio notes. Just hit that microphone there at the bottom. It'll ask for permission to access your phone's microphone, and then you can record an audio note. Maybe you want to record the sound of a zebra in the wild, or you might want to work out the beginning of your book by talking to yourself. So you can add that audio file to a note, and then you can hit play. And as with everything else, this will sync to your desktop, and you'll be able to access your audio file on your desktop as well.